We have a new vehicle to add to the city this week, and it is set 60488, the Fry's food truck. So we're going to build that, and then we're going to add it to the road. We might try and do something similar and get it opposite the burger van, just there maybe, although that will block the path. So we'll have a bit of a play around. We could put it maybe next to the burger van, move that bench somewhere else. So yeah, we'll build that and do a bit of fiddling around. Right, let's get building. And there we have it. That's the Fry's van built and added to my city. I did decide to separate the van from the actual Fry's shop and add it into the park area. So let's have a quick look. We've got the van there just on the road. There's the burger van as well there. And then if we come in and have a look at the city, we've got the Fry's shop there next to the little burger shop. There is a member of staff in there serving. Can't really see, it's a bit dark. But yeah, that's looking good there. And then to make space for that, I just had to shuffle around a few tiles and move the bench over here. So we've now got the chap eating his burger that he's just bought from the burger van. And then this girl here eating her fries. So yeah, the park area is starting to look a bit more populated now, and getting a couple of minifigures in there and the fries stall. So that's starting to look really good. And it's starting to enhance the shelf city a bit. So yeah, I really like the way that's turned out. And I think it's soon going to be time to get another modular on the go. So keep an eye out for that video coming. But for this week, I think that's it. Really happy with the progress, and I'll see you again soon.